Hi all. Today we are going to change the transmission oil of my newly bought MR2 AW11. I think the car was sitting 10 years in the garage, last 10 years. So and it's not so easy to change the gear. So I'm going to use 75 V90 from Liquid Moly. It's a German brand, I guess. And yeah, first I have already jack lifted the car and put another standard for security, and yeah, let's start. So this is what we need in total: a funnel with a hose, a branch with 24 millimeter, and of course the oil. It is 75 W90 GL4 plus, and of course a whole pan. I'm using a shitty one, but yeah, this is all we need. So under the car there is two plugs. This is the drain plug here, and the filler plug is here. But before opening the drain plug, we will open the filler plug, and so that with the pressure it will go easier. It will drain easier. So to fill the oil, we are going to use a funnel and this hose. I will just dangle it here, and yeah, the hose will go inside the transmission. So what we are going to do is to plug it in here. As you can see here, it's dripping, so it is full. Now we are going to close the cap, and that's all.